I got some tips, I got some tips, I got some tips, I got some tricks. I got some tips and some tricks. Peep game. Bam! Here's what you want to do, right? You get your fragrance on. You spend $200-300 on a bottle of cologne. $200-300 on a bottle of cologne. Right? You're smelling good. You like it. Ah, I feel great. I smell good. And then what do you go do? You get some scented lotion, and then you cover it up. Or if you're a little bit smarter, you put your lotion on, right? Axe, by Axe or Old Spice or whatever. It smells good though. I like it. And then you have that fragrance competing hard with your $300 bottle of cologne or $150, $200, whatever. It doesn't matter. Give your fragrance the best opportunity to do what it does best, and that is smell good. You gotta have the ability to smell it. And so, long story short, you need fragrance-free lotion, okay? You wanna put these in all the hot spots, and then that way, when you do spray it, it more so blends together. And it's way more effective than having multiple different fragrances competing with each other. And to take it a step further, you should also be doing the same thing with your deodorant. Get scent-free deodorant. And what that will do is again, it will allow you to protect yourself from smelling a certain type of way, right? You still want to block the funk, but it won't be competing with your fragrance, right? I'm not gonna say the price, but whatever it is, like it'll stop you from those things from competing. And what you'll find is that your fragrance will actually start to stick around a little bit longer. That's been my experience. Now everybody's different, everybody's chemistry is different. But again, go get yourself a scentless bottle of lotion, go get yourself a scentless bottle of deodorant. So that's it. That's a tip, that's a trick. Let me know what you guys think. Was this effective for you? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.